I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
First he felt super heavy. Oh, there he is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bud. Chill. Look at that guy.
First catch of the day.
Oh, that's a good sign. That's a good sized cutty. How big do you think he is?
I don't know.
18 in that slot. Oh man. Okay, bud. Put her there. Woo! Alright, good morning guys. JC and I came out fishing again. It is, at least when we got here, it was -6. And inside right now it's really foggy and humid just because of the heater, us breathing. So once things warm up and settle down, I'll bring the camera out. But I've already caught one, really nice cutthroat. But where we're at, there's a slot limit between 15 and 22 inches. You have to release all cutthroat. So I put that one back, but I started fishing within 2 minutes, had that fish, so it should be a good day. As soon as I can start filming, I'll bring the camera out, we'll do that. But right now it's just too humid in there and so cold that once moisture gets on the lens, it just immediately starts to freeze and fog. So I'm gonna keep the camera away for a little while and then we'll bring you out as soon as we can. But JC's grabbing some footage here and there on his phone for me, so at the very least we'll get something pieced together. But look at that sunrise. That is gorgeous. Such a nice sunrise. But I'm gonna get back to fishing, so stay tuned. JC's hooked up. Oh, come on. Oh, he's dogging you. Oh. He's just there? Oh. Is he pulling?
He won't pull it. There he goes.
Pull and drag? Nice, bud. Ow! Nice, bud.
Oh, wrong. Oh, I barely hooked
Just
him.
lipped him?
Yeah. But oh.
That's a good sized fish.
That was a good one.
Another cut?
Kind of looks more like a ring.
JC's hooked up again.
Oh, there he is.
The only difference is I'm actually recording.
Easy there, bud. Look at that.
hooked up on another while you were gone. Yeah.
Kicking butt since I left.
Uh-huh. Stay out. That's the little guy.
Huh?
Caught a fish.
Did you?
Yeah. On your rod.
Good one?
Nah, little. Looks like a stalker. Missing a little fin.
Oh yeah.
He's a keeper though, size wise.
You gonna keep him?
You want to keep any today?
I don't care. It's you.
I think we'll let him go.
I ended up with all the ones
Oh! Everything in the hole. It did drop. Oh no. Tripod's frozen to the ground. Everything's frozen, bud.
Oh, was that you?
I think. Nope.
Nope, nope.
Hold that. Get the camera going.
I could just take a picture.
Oh, I'm hooked up.
How do you?
It's the red button by the shoulder button.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, oh. Oh, come on. Oh, wrong hole. Another nice cutthroat. JC grabbed the camera just in time. I was trying to set up the camera to film and got bit. Good sized fish. Oh man. Oh, cold. That's cold.
Oh no!
You kidding me?
I didn't record that.
Damn it, dude. You're the world's worst cameraman.
I don't know how to operate the camera.
I'm gonna teach you how to
Plus,
operate the
it's
camera.
It's getting so fogged up on there.
I'm gonna teach you how to operate.
Alright.
Alright, I think I'm gonna go back to the bottom jig. Yeah. Okay, there's the garbage bag. Woo! Oh, I'm getting bit.
Ah. Oh, disappointment. You're a loser.
Oh, wait. Oh my god! Yeah, that's awesome. Oh man, that's so funny. Oh, that's a good fish.
Oh god.
Oh, it came off.
Again?
I think it was dragging. Ugh. All right, you guys, that's it for today. We're wrapping her up. We're gonna go home. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Don't forget, get lost in the adventure.